So now in this problem, what we have to do is we're supposed to express the following matrix in the form of a symmetric and symmetric and skew symmetric matrix. So now the matrix we have has 3 and 5 in the top and the first row, and 1 and minus 1 in the second row. So now what we're going to do is we're going to consider this as a matrix A. So let's now take A transpose. So when you take transpose, remember that you have to take the first row and make that in the first column, and take the second row and make that in the second column. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take A as equal to 1 by 2 of A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 of A minus A dash, because we know that 1 by 2 of A plus A dash gives you a symmetric matrix, and 1 by 2 into A minus A dash gives you a skew symmetric matrix. So now let's first find A plus A dash. So all we're going to do is just add two matrices. While adding two matrices, all you have to remember is that we are supposed to add the corresponding elements alone. So once you've done that, you're going to get this matrix over here. So just leave that aside for now. So what we're going to do is first we're going to take half of this matrix over here. So you're going to have 1 by 2 of this matrix. So when you multiply the 1 by 2 inside, we're going to have to multiply the 1 by 2 with each and every single element. So once you've done that, you're going to have this matrix over here, which has 3 and 3 in the first row and 3 and minus 1 in the second row. So now we're going to take A minus A dash. So when you're subtracting, it's the exact same as adding, just have to do it for the corresponding elements alone. So once you've done that, you're going to get this matrix over here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to just multiply this with 1 by 2. So when you're multiplying with 1 by 2, remember that you have to multiply each and every single element. So once you've done that, you'll be having this matrix over here, which has 0 and 2 in the first row and minus 2 and 0 in the second row. So when you do, now all you have to do is bring the first 1 by 2 into A plus A dash and 1 by 2 into A minus A dash together over here and substitute this over here. So A will be equal to 1 by 2 in brackets A plus A dash plus 1 by 2 in brackets A minus A dash. So we know both the values, we're just going to add them. So A will be equal to first matrix is going to have 3 and 3 in the first row and 3 and minus 1 in the second row. And second matrix is going to have 0 and 2 in the first row and minus 2 and 0 in the second row. So this is how we're going to express A in the form of a symmetric and a skew symmetric matrix. Sum of symmetric and skew symmetric matrix.